Hi guys, today I want to talk about unlinking your audio from your video. Now there's several reasons you would want to do this. One, you want to keep just the visual, the video of it, and you want to get rid of the audio. Or the other one is you want to get rid of the audio and keep just the visual. And so I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. So here's a clip I have. It's me talking in a Zoom, and I want to keep me talking. Like I want to hear that, but I don't want to see me. So what I do is I make sure I have the selector tool selected, and I click on the clip. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my mouse, and I am going to look for unlink. It's usually in the middle-ish. Here it is. And so what it's doing is it's separating the audio from the visual. And now I can move them separately. So I want to get rid of the visual, so I click on the V. V is for video, and I hit delete, and it's gone. But I'm still left with all of the audio. And then I can put in whatever I want to pair with it. And if you change your mind, as always, Control Z will undo it. Hope that helped.